Here's my honest, no-nonsense take on the smoothie diet. If you want a simple reset, real food, faster prep, and a plan you can actually follow, this gives you structure without the guesswork. Expect easier meal decisions, steady energy, and a lighter daily feel, because breakfast and lunch are already handled. When cravings and busy days collide, default choices win. A 21-day container builds momentum, so smart choices become your default. A guided 21-day smoothie plan with over 36 recipes, weekly shopping lists, a prep guide, and a clean, step-by-step schedule. Replace select meals with balanced smoothies, protein plus fiber plus healthy fats plus micronutrients, to support appetite control and consistent energy. Not just a recipe dump. The plan uses a specific sequence week by week to keep things fresh and help you stay consistent. You'll follow a clear daily rhythm. Smoothies for targeted meals, a flexible whole food meal, and simple snacks you can prep in minutes. Weekly shopping lists remove guesswork. The prep guide shows batch washing, pre-portioning, and freezer packs, so mornings take 60 seconds. Every smoothie targets balance. Leafy greens, low GI fruit, protein boost, healthy fats, and fiber for satisfaction. You also get a 3-day smoothie detox option for a clean kickoff, and a quick start guide to begin without reading everything first. Results vary. Track simple markers: energy after meals, cravings by evening, waist comfort, and sleep quality over 2 to 3 weeks. No time. Prep once, blend daily. Expensive blender? Any solid motor works. Hard ingredients? There's a swap list for easy substitutes. Office, school runs, travel. Pour into a bottle and go. Keep a grab-and-go kit. Shaker, scoop, and freezer packs for busy days. Use the transition tips to keep smoothies you love, add simple whole food meals, and maintain a rhythm that fits your life. Members report better energy, clearer skin, less afternoon slump, and a more confident routine. Your path is individual. Go at your pace. Ready to simplify meals and feel lighter? Tap the official link in the description, download your 21-day plan, and blend your first smoothie today.